So, hi guys, myself Ujit Tiwari. I am the best student at Mayo Institute of Medical Science. So today I am going to tell you about the books to study in the first year of MBBS. So let's see. For anatomy, the best and foremost book that everyone should study is BDC, Lal Kitab, best book of anatomy. The concepts given in this book is very amazing, and you have to study line by line BDC for your conceptual clarity and learning. You can make your own notes or refer to the notes of Dr. Jodi. You can watch his videos too. For embryology, you can use Indrabir Singh for your conceptual clarity, but एम्ब्रियो से उतने ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस आते नहीं है एग्जाम्स में. सो अगर तुम्हें हल्का फुल्का भी आइडिया है तो यू कैन गुड टू गो इन एम्ब्रियोलॉजी. एंड फॉर हिस्टोलॉजी एंड जनरल यू कैन हैव BDC वो छोटी वाली पतली सी बुक अभी दिखी नहीं मैं मुझे. सो यू कैन यूज दिस बुक एंड हिस्टो द स्लाइड्स दैट हैज बीन टॉट इन योर कॉलेज यू कैन रेफर दैट. And the slide that has been showed by the teachers, and you will use a microscope and go in the histo lab and see the slides. You can take some pictures of the slide and identify for the practicals and to draw in your exams. So that's it. Anatomy के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है मेरे हिसाब से, तो बहुत ही काफ़ी है. For gold standard book, if you go, वैसे gold standard की इतनी कोई ज़रूरत पड़ती नहीं है, but if you want to go, then you can go for Gray's Anatomy. And all know that Gray's Anatomy has very pretty and clarity of diagrams is very good in the Gray's Anatomy. You can use. I have seen some of their diagrams, but at the end I have read Jodi and BDC. That's it. This is enough for clearing internal and university exams. So for physiology, the book that I will recommend that I have read is this GK Pal. So you can buy this book. You can also buy AK Jain. But the conceptual clarity is good in GK Pal. In AK Jain, there is information that you have to learn a lot. So you can choose any book for conceptual clarity. I have tell that GK Pal is the best book. You can use Guyton as well. The concepts in the Guyton and the text in Guyton is very easy to understand. But I have used GK Pal and AK Jain for my university exams and internal exams. And class notes, I have used my class notes too. Or the conceptual clarity in physiology is very much important. So please note this down that each and every concept should be crystal clear in your mind for attempting the physiology paper or reading physiology. So that's enough for physiology. If you want to watch any lecture, then you can watch Dr. Ashish Agrawal's lecture for conceptual clarity. For physiology, that's it. And for biochemistry, you can use Satyanarayan or Vasudev Devan, whatever book you want to choose. Satyanarayan is mostly exam oriented book. The content of Satyanarayan you can write in your exams. But I have used Jambulkar sir's videos and notes to pass the university exams and internal exams. So Jambulkar notes is more than sufficient for your written exams. You can buy Jambulkar sir's notes for better conceptual clarity. You can use Satyanarayan or Vasudevan, whichever book you like. If you want to use gold standard in biochemistry, you can buy Lippincott or Harper. This is Lippincott, which I have not read much, but through and amazing journey is going to begin of all of yours. So please come enjoy your medical journey. So best of luck.